Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet blouses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. First of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet blouses are a popular choice in fashion due to their unique texture, versatility and comfort. Here are some benefits of wearing or making a crochet blouse. The first and the main one is breathability. Crochet blouses are often made from natural fibers like cotton or linen, which are breathable and ideal for warm weather. Unique design. Each crochet blouse can be customized with different stitches, patterns and color, making it unique. Lightweight. Most crochet blouses are lightweight, making them comfortable for all-day wear. Durability. Crochet is a strong and durable technique, so the blouses can withstand regular use and washing. Versatility. A crochet blouse can be styled in many ways, casual or dressy, paired with jeans, skirts, or even laid over swimsuits. Comfort. The fabric stitches and conforms to your body shape, providing a comfortable fit. Eco-friendly. Many crochet blouses are made from eco-friendly materials, and hand crocheted options reduce waste and the need for mass production. Fashionable crochet blouses have a timeless bohemian or vintage vibe, making them fashionable and trendy in various settings. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.